Wonsten is the world leader in pipe and tube manipulation with CE certification. We are a Chinese pipe bending machine factory, fully automatic CNC tube bender manufacturer, and induction heating pipe bending machine supplier. We continue to supply pipe bending machines, including the innovative CNC tube bender machines, to hundreds of industries. Various of different metal pipe processing machines such as tube and forming, tube bending and tube cutting. Dedicated to providing customers with credible and reliable industrial equipment, the company has been making relentless efforts on superior technology and engineering to enhance the performance of the pipe bending machine in different applications. Wonsten is a known brand in manufacturing CNC tube bending machines and induction heating pipe bending machines. All pipe and tube bending machines are conducted quality inspection before delivery. Metal tube pipe bending solution provide draw bending, push bending, swing bending, and press bending to be executed and realized by Wonsten CNC and NC tube bending machine. Our 3D bender simulation is friendly and easy operation to save and prevent the tube and pipe cost and wastage during the trial. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a customized order, please feel free to contact us for more information. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.